So these are the apps in Canva. You navigate to the apps section. When we start when you start creating designs, I'll show you how to use the apps in your designs. So over here um you can get images from Freepik, Envato. You see LinkedIn, you can link your social media accounts here, HubSpot. Oh, uh, okay, I'm back online. Let's go. So these are some apps in Canva. When we start doing the designs, I'll show you. Okay, this is my education plan. Sit back and relax. Once the teacher sends an assignment, it will appear here. Okay, so that is that. So let's go back to the home page. I said if you click this one, you hide your recent works. If you click it back, it will hide. If you click, it will open. So let's come here. Um, not this. Presentation. So this is the presentation. Select designs. You can choose any form of presentation you want. Okay, let's say I'm a student and I'm creating presentation on communication. And you type communication presentation. If you hover on it, you see how the slides are going. So okay, let's choose this one. Okay, let's choose this one. You see, so they'll give you the preview of the pages. You can choose this one, which one to add. You can choose to add this one or add all pages. You can choose to add only one or you add all pages. So let's add all pages so that you see how it looks. Add all pages. So the images are still loading. You see, you can edit it. You can just type here barriers in communication. You see, barriers in communication. Pen, pen. But let's undo it. Control Z, Control Z. If you want to play it, if you want to preview how it will look, you can click here. Mm, let's leave that for now. The network is very poor, seriously. Oh, okay. Okay. Control / to hide the pin and then open it. or you can just click here to hide it. Then if you want it, you just click back here and it will open. So let's see if you can change the font. Oh, it's still loading, still loading, still loading. And change the size of the font, can reduce it, you can make any edits. Okay, you can change the font, links pattern. You can change the font to anyone you want. You can apply to all pages. If you click apply to all pages, you see it has changed the fonts on every page. It has changed the font on every page. DM Sans. If I change this one to TT Drags, then I'll click apply to all. Then it will change all the fonts on the pages. So you see it has changed everything. So this is how you can edit your presentations in Canva. So if you want to export it, just click share, then download. Uh, then choose PPT, Microsoft PPT. You see presentation. Then you download it. Me, I don't want to download it, so I'll cancel it. No la. Okay. So this is the spreadsheet. You upload your data, magically transform your data, share and collaborate. So you can use spreadsheet over here too. So Canva has a lot of features. I mean, just look at the design aspect. Look at this one. Replace current page. You can use that template and edit it. You can pick any template and edit it in Canva here for your Excel sheet and stuffs. Okay, that is that for Excel. And this is the whiteboard. It's already. So let's try and edit this black cell. So this is the background. If you tap on the background, you can change it. So let's search for Black Friday. Okay, let's search for black background, black b black background. By the way, let me introduce you to these elements, this network tools. Okay, so this is what this one does. This is where you find templates, and this is where you find elements. Any type of element you want, you can just search it here, search it, and you'll find it. Then text, you can add text to your design. You can add text to your design. You click on it, you can type in whatever you want. We dive more into that. If you have any fonts or colors, or if you have set up your brand, then it will show here. You can apply it to page. Uploads. You can click to upload files here. Click here to upload files or link your Instagram. You can link your Instagram, Google Drive, Dropbox, and then access your files here. You can upload videos, images, audio. What's up? You can also draw. You can also draw on your designs. Charlie, network, no. So you can explore this. But then let's undo this. So we're trying to edit the template, right? So click on these three dots or right click on your mouse, then you replace background. You see it has replaced the background. We'll dive more into that later. So you can resize this design, but that one is a pro feature. You can resize this design to suit whatever you want. Then uh, click on file. You can create a new design from here. You can upload files. You can still do the settings here. You can show margins. If you click on show margins, you see. So you can also access the settings here. If you have deleted any design to show in this your trash, you can open in desktop app when you have the app installed. So let's leave this now. So this is the undo and redo button. Undo, you see, redo, redo. That's good. And in Canva, all your changes are saved. All your changes are saved. You don't have to fear that you'll lose your design. It's only when the internet is not stable. When the internet is not stable and you are still designing, then you see some dot inside this cloud icon. You see some dot inside this cloud icon. It means that your design is not saved yet. So if you close the tab and you come back, you will not see the changes you have made. So you have to be very careful about that. Okay, you can share your design in case maybe you want to share it to me. You want to share your design to me. You can just or share it to any teacher you want, any person. You can just click here, enter their email, and then you are ready to go. So if I want to collaborate with somebody, you see this plus button, I'll click on it. Then I want to add some graphics. You see, I can add Joseph Diba to collaborate with me on this design. Then I'll share. Then they will send me email. They will send email to this account. Then I can also come and edit or make changes on this design. That's collaboration. Um, so we'll talk more about this later, how to share your designs. Now let me show you the apps. This one. Some apps you can use in Canva. So over here, when you come to apps, you can search for. You can you can get plenty. You can generate QR code, upscale your image, colorize. I mean, can explore. You can explore AI music, like a lot of features, here to use. So as time goes on, you expose you to some important apps in Canva that you need to use. Okay, Guys, I think that will be that for now. For this video, this is what we are going to learn. I've introduced you to Canva, the interface, how to edit templates, which we will dive more into that when we start the practicals. And once again, I think that is that for now. Now let me just show you how to download your desktop app. Let's go to the Microsoft. Let's open your MS Store and search for Canva. Canva, enter. So you see the app is here and it's free. You can download it and start using. With the Canva app, it's much easier than the web version. But for those of us who don't have much space on our PC, you can be using the web. One thing about Canva is that you can access it wherever and all your designs are saved. You don't have to be, it's not like Photoshop that you have to save the design files in some particular location in uh, your PC and you can work offline. Canva is always online, always online. If you don't have strong connection, your design will not be saved. So know that I've already installed Canva. So this is what Canva, this the main account, the account I use for my designs. Yeah. So this the Canva interface. So going on, this is where we'll be designing more. We'll be using this interface for other designs. So just download the app, log in, and you have this available. Then we'll dive more into this later. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.